So our hand pattern for this one is pretty much just saying in the words kind of what they want you to do, which is play your drum on the beat. Play your drum on the beat. So almost all of those notes are going to be strong hand because they're downbeats. So that's telling you kind of everything's over this way. And then get funky is that those notes are off the beats. That's going to be mostly wild dominated. So let's just start with the first half though. And again, it's all strong hand except for the word the two quick notes, so to speak. Play your drum on the beat. 2, 3, 4. Strong, 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 strong. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3, 4. Take your time. Yeah. Think about the stretching a little more. It'll slow you down a little bit. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3, 4. And one more. Good. Excellent. And then now we're going to come back on the other side and get funky. Wild, wild, strong, wild. So we got 2 wilds in a row. Wild, wild, strong, wild. And then we start over again. So we got play your drum on the beat. And get funky. Play your drum on the beat. Microscoping of it. So the way the note patterns are lined up is we have the bass, of course, and then the bass is followed by 2 slaps in the same hand, right? Only the strong hand. And then 2 tones, strong, wild, and that's kind of a won't ya. Play your drum, won't ya beat. So that's kind of that's a won't ya cleverly disguised as an anthem. And there's another one at the end, just cleverly disguised as funky. So those are won'tchas. They're always 2 hands, right? Going right back to the beginning. Strong, wild, strong. That's usually always how they go. So we got strong, 2 slaps in a row, then tone, tone, bass. Then we have 2 more slaps in a row with the wild hand, and then the won'tcha again with the tones. So the slaps are shifting, the tones are the same, and the bass is the same. Just kind of another way to look at the whole picture. So once again, we have the strong side. Play your drum on the beat, and wild. On the beat, off the beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and play your drum on the beat. Play your drum on the beat. like that. Yeah. Gave it a whole different way to phrase it, too, didn't it? Thinking that I could that way. Very nice. Good, good, good. And that's FunKy Congo, the second accompaniment, but the third rhythm.